million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human drip from my good friends over there at Ywigs. Now we have worked with them since we first started working with human hair, which was a very long time, well not very long time ago, when we started this channel. Ywigs was one of the first human hair companies that we worked with, so we love them because y'all know how it goes down on this channel. If we love them, we say we love them and we repeat them. If they're trash, we say that we never work with them again. Ywigs has made the cut. If you look down in the description box, you'll see all the details on this wig because y'all know I have no idea what's in this box. I like to do that with y'all. So, other than the wig itself, some stocking caps. That's it, straight to the point, and a little card on if you want to return it. Ooh, color. All right, I'm reading straight off of this sticker. This is a 13x6 lace front bob wig. It is 14 inches long and it's body wave. But y'all, look at that color in the front. So I just reviewed a wig like this not too long ago, but it was longer. So let us see. And it was by a different company too, of course. Y'all, look at that. This little skunk stripe, what's her name? Billie Eilish. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's all the rave right now. Okay, and that's like a true gold. Let me turn off the ring light. Y'all know I like to keep it funky. With my ring light off, like it's gold. Y'all know I hate a golden blonde, but that's here nor there. Thought my piece was stinking lanking. All right. You get a comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get that 13x6, a comb here to the right and a comb to the left. And then you get this little band that makes the wig lay so flush to your head. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the last hook just to see. All right, so before we even cut off the lace, let me plop this bad boy on my dome. See what we working with. Why am I being so aggressive in this moment? Oh y'all, that's gonna be so cute though, huh? And because it's a 13x6, of course you don't have to keep it. Let me raise y'all up a little bit. Why is you so low, girl? Come here. You don't have to keep it to the right. You could part it over here. Which would change up the color. You could part it down the middle if you so chose, which would change up the color too, but I'm going to keep it over here on the left-hand side. Let's play around with this, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all. So I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I absolutely love this wig. However, I made a mistake. I used my lace tinting spray on this, and it made it turn brown. If I could go back and do it all over again, I wouldn't have used it, but shit, I did. So we here. This little bedhead toss-up look is so cute to me. So like I said, I just reviewed this just about same wig by another company, but it was longer, and I must say I love this shorter version so much better. Like I said, I really wish I wouldn't have used that tint spray, but y'all know I'm gonna keep it funky. Like, so now you know that if you get this wig, you probably don't need to use that tinting spray. But the wig is gorgeous, the hair is soft. Y'all know I just haphazardly threw a few curls in here, and this is what we got. This is her to the front, this is her to the right, this is her to the left. I took some behind my ear. And this is her to the back. Now in the back, probably ain't gonna be a lot of curls because I ain't curl back there, sis. This is her in the back. And remember, I'm bald headed. Do I like this wig? 1000% I recommend it. And Ywigs always gives us a coupon code. So if you look down in the description box, as you click subscribe, you'll see all the details, the coupon code, direct link to this wig, all that jazz. Like I always say, maybe you're not even into like hair. You like to just play around with wigs like me, because that's what I do. Y'all know I can't comb hair, but I like playing in hair. Maybe it's your Auntie Billy. Maybe it's your Uncle Billy. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Ywigs will get them right. This is a cute little bob, little tassel bob. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.